morning. Myself Dr. Sanjay Gambhir, and I have done my MDS in perio and implantology. So today I want to discuss a very important equipment in our dental practice, that is dental laser. Dental laser is a device which basically uses a very sharp beam of light and which is absorbed by the tissue, and it mainly burn the tissue by the heat therapy. So there are many advantages in the dental practice. The most important advantage of dental laser which we use in dentistry is in the root canal treatment. A laser tip to sterilize the canal and properly isolate and sterilize the canal. And secondly, the bleeding gums. So in the case of bleeding gums, we basically burn the granulation tissue, which is a pus-like tissue, and the patient after that feels very refreshed, and the margins of the tissue also come very fine. It's like a camouflage margins come after the use of laser. And the third most important thing which we used after the extraction of the teeth, we basically sterilize the socket, so it is used in the socket sterilization also. And further, there are many other procedures like gingivectomy, gingivoplasty, in which we burn the extra tissue of the over the teeth, which is mainly the source of food lodgement. So it is basically used in the gummy smile patients, and further it is also used in crown lengthening. So basically, in all over, we can say that the dental laser is basically a painless procedure in which there is no blood, no cut to the patient, and the patient feels very comfortable with the procedures. So we have dental laser in our clinic. So further, you can book our appointment for this clinic, Dr. Gambhir Dento Aesthetic in Sector 65, Gurgaon. And if you have any inquiry, you can feel free to call me. Thank you.